Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to download Spendee application on your iPhone. To download Spendee application on your iOS device, go ahead and open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go to the search button at the bottom right and then in the search box, type in Spendee and search. Look for the Spendee Money and Budget Planner application, which looks like this. Spendee is a personal finance app designed to help users manage their money, track expenses, and budget effectively. Once the application is shown on the screen, tap on Get to download and install Spendee application on your iOS device. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to open the Spendee application on your iPhone. And there you have successfully installed Spendee application in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.